Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, Manuel Mancha. I appreciate you guys coming by. I created this channel for the purpose of showing you folks the how-tos of what I'm doing in my online business and how I'm growing my online business. And so there's a lot of things that I'm learning in the process. I have a marketing channel, and I also have a life insurance company that I'm building. And with that said, there's a lot of trials and errors and different things that I'm learning as I go through the process, whether it's creating a YouTube channel, whether it's creating an Instagram, Facebook page, just different things that you go through. And most people online, as you start this journey of building your business or your brand online, you go through and you're searching for different things. You can find, I know that there's a couple times where I found myself working on one project and running over to Google and try to search for how to do something, and then running back and then figuring that out, and then running into another problem where I had to go back and search how to. So the reason why I wanted to create these videos in my channel are just to kind of give you a little bit more of the shortcuts as far as what I'm doing, what I'm learning, and also the things that I'm basically having to figure out and find out as I go through and learn. So today's video is going to be about playlists. That's the one thing I wanted to find out about as I start to create my videos. As you can see, this is a new channel, and I put up some videos up here, and now I'm wanting to learn a little bit more about playlists and how that would work in terms of me creating these videos and how to better organize it for people who are searching for it. So basically, a playlist is well, if you're familiar with a playlist, just like a music playlist or just like any type of playlist that you would see on Netflix. Let's say Netflix has your action movies, they have your drama, they have your let's say, what else is on there, your kid movies. So Netflix has their playlist, so whichever category you click on, it's going to show all the related movies within that category. Playlists on YouTube are the same thing. So in playlists on YouTube, if you were to search for how to edit videos on YouTube, underneath that playlist, you would be able to see all the videos that that person did, or all the videos that are related to how to edit videos. Now, creating a playlist in your YouTube channel just helps you to be able to, number one, rank better, because you have to understand that playlists are just like a YouTube video. They actually categorize your playlist just like a YouTube channel. And what's really good about that is, if someone is searching for a term like how to edit videos, they're going to see not only the video you created, but they're also going to see your playlist. So what's really good is now you've kind of doubled your chances of being able to be searched on YouTube. And that is what the benefits of a playlist are on YouTube. So first thing we're going to do is create one. So let me go ahead and kind of show you how to create a playlist. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go on over to your channel. This is my channel right here, and like I said, we're building, we're kind of putting things together. So this is kind of the first step in the journey. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go over to your name where you see that circle at. You'll go click right on that, and that's going to bring up your menu bar here. And what you're going to do is you're going to go over to YouTube Studios. All right, and under the YouTube Studios, you're going to come down to playlists. Okay, now the next step you're going to do is you're going to go over here and you're going to create a new playlist. So you're just going to click on that. Now, when you're thinking about the title of your playlist, you want to put the same effort that you would put into creating a video. So if you're creating videos and you're wanting those videos to rank, you're obviously looking at the keywords within that video, especially the title. Okay, so in your playlist, you're going to want to do the same thing. So when you're thinking about your playlist, think about what people are searching for in terms of the video and category that you want to stay in. So like I said before, one of the keywords that you could use would be how to edit videos on YouTube. Now, those are called long tail keywords, but what it is it's what people are searching for. A lot of people will go online to want to learn how to edit videos on YouTube, and not so much on YouTube, but we can even go with the term of how to edit videos, or even better, we can go how to edit YouTube videos, or even one more, we can go how to edit my videos. So you can use different search terms or different terms that you would want in here. Now I'm just going to go with this one, how to edit my videos, or how to edit videos. And so you know that when you type that in, when somebody types that in, not only are they going to see videos related to the keyword that they're searching for, but they're also going to see playlists that are related to that, okay? Which gives you a better chance of ranking and being seen by those people who are searching. Now, right here at the bottom, you can choose 3 ways to have your playlist set up. You can either choose it public, which is what I would do. You can do private. Now, the reason I would do private on some of my playlists is because there's some things that I'm going through right now as far as training and learning videos that I have that I always want to refer back to, but I don't want them up on my channel. So what I'll do is I'll put private so I can keep those videos in a private list so nobody else, basically can see those. And I'm able to categorize those under my own sort of playlist. Okay, and then you have unlisted, which basically means you're not going to have it listed. So for this example, we're going to go with public because, again, that's what we're doing. We want to make the video public. We want to make the playlist, public so everybody can see it. So the next step we're going to do is click on create. Now, as you can see, let me make sure here. Did that come through? Let's see here. Maybe it didn't pull it through. Let's see. Oh, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and put there so we can see if it went through. Maybe it went to the bottom. Okay, for some reason it didn't go through. Maybe I didn't click that right. So let's go ahead and do that one more time. How to edit videos. Okay, public in it, and then we're going to click create. Okay, there it is. So we have our playlist right here. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on edit in YouTube. Now what this allows you to do is to go ahead and edit. If you want to edit the title, you can edit the title here. Again, you can choose to make public or unlisted or private right here. It's basically a little bit of an area where you can add a little more detail to it. And then the next thing you can do is add your description. Now, you can put in how to edit videos with Camtasia. You can put in how to edit videos, just a description of exactly what the playlist is going to be about. So how to edit videos quickly, how to edit videos in 10 minutes or less, how to edit videos through using Camtasia and other video softwares. So you can put in a little bit more about what exactly it is. And again, you're always wanting to think about keywords. You want to put those keywords in there because you want to make sure the terms are in there that people will be searching for. Okay, and once you do that, let me just kind of put something here. And I'm just putting that again, but again, you want to put something a little more fuller as far as the description. Now, once you have that up, what you're going to do is we're going to go ahead and come over here. Let me see here if I can get that over here. Here we go. So you can add. The other one I wanted to go over to is just this particular button here, and this button normally wouldn't be here, and I'll go over where this button is coming from. But normally you won't have that on your page. You'll have these 3 dots, and that's where you're going to want to press. Now, here you can do settings, collaboration, add a video, which you can add a video into the playlist, or you could delete the playlist. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to playlist settings. Now, a couple things here. When you do that, you have a couple options. One is allow embedding. What that allows you to do is embed your playlist on your website. So if you have a WordPress website or any type of website where you can embed the video in there, you'll be able to embed it in there. And what that'll do is that'll allow the videos within that playlist to be played on your page. The other option you have here is you can click here, and this will add new videos to the top of the playlist, meaning whenever you add a new video, it'll put it to the top of the playlist. And then the last thing is you have set as official series for the playlist. So you can do this. You don't have to. Basically, it's It's more of a series. If you want to put a series, like if you have a part 1, part 2, part 3, it does set that up for you. I don't want to do it, but you can do that, so it sets it up as a series. I'll go a little bit more into detail about this later, but basically it's up to you if you want to do that. There are some benefits and some non-benefits to doing it. But again, I'll go over this little button here a little bit later. It really doesn't affect anything too much. It's just a matter of if you're doing a series, you have part 1, you have part 2, you have part 3. Okay? So once you're done here, you're going to click done. Now, once you have all that set up, you can share, which means you can share your playlist out to people. But before you do that, you obviously want to add in videos. So the way to add videos, again, you can come over here to these little dots and you click on the add videos, and you could look at your YouTube videos, which is what I would want, and you could just click on whatever videos you want to add into the playlist. So you can click on this one, click on that one, and let's just say you put add videos in. Okay, and once you do that, you'll see you have the playlist here. Now, the good thing is if you want to arrange the playlist, you can always arrange the playlist. If you want that video to be first, or if you want that video to be second, you can always sort. You can also sort here by newest, oldest, most popular, date published, newest. So you have some options there with your playlist. Now remember, in terms of your playlist, you're going to be able to rank that playlist on the YouTube. So just imagine if someone said, let's for example use that, how to edit videos. Okay, now as you can see, as you come down here, you're going to see all these different videos on how to edit. Let me see here. I believe you're going to get to one that does have a playlist, and if not, that's pretty crazy because somebody would have one. Let's see here as we scroll down. I guess none of these people want to put a playlist. That's a good keyword then you could search for, and you can get ranked up and have all your videos in one, because a lot of these guys aren't putting up a playlist that shows how to edit videos. So it's definitely good. Like this one right here, this gentleman, Think Media, this is a really good website. He does a lot of playlists. But here he has the how to edit YouTube videos fast beginner tutorial. So he's doing a full video of how to edit videos really fast. That's another one I probably will go through, because like I said, as I'm learning the process, I'm learning to go through these. But you can definitely see how you can start to rank as you create your playlists. And normally you would see a playlist in here, and that's kind of weird that you don't see one in here, but normally a lot of these guys will make a playlist where when you click on it, you could see not only their first videos, but you can see multiple videos that they've put into their playlist. So anyways, I just wanted to show you how to make a playlist and how you could create that and how it can help you rank. Again, you're looking at the keywords, you're looking at how you can put in the best keywords possible to help you rank in your YouTube videos. Okay, and another thing to think about is when you are creating your videos, I would definitely think about how to go in order and how you want that to be put in order. So if you're wanting to do a playlist on how to make a YouTube channel, everything within that playlist of how to make a YouTube channel would have to be on YouTube and creating the YouTube channel. And you can kind of put steps in there. You can kind of do different videos of how to do that, different things. So anyways, I hope this helped you guys out. This is just a short kind of video of how to do a playlist. Definitely like and subscribe to the video. I appreciate you guys coming by. Again, as I'm starting to grow my channel out, as I'm starting to grow my business out, I want to share as much information, as much value as I can. If this is helping you, please let me know. Comment below. If it's not helping you, let me know anyways. Like I said, I'm learning as I go, and I'm learning through this process. So it's definitely good to get some feedback from people, whether good or bad or whatever it is. I need to hear it to get better. So again, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Definitely like and subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.